Okay, here's another video. This is a 18-inch torpedo. It's modeled after a 21-foot Standcraft they made out in Montana, I think it was. They only made about 3 or 4 of them. Boat tails are hard to make. And anyway, I made this special for a guy up in Michigan, and I think he'll like it. I don't make many of these, and this is the first of the new ones in a big size, being 18 inches. It's a nice big size boat, single motor, and anyway, it's all mahogany deck, etc. It's a beautiful boat, and this is the first one. I've got the pattern so I can make more, and I'm going to put it on YouTube, of course, and then on the ITO or YouTube website, and then my rccraft.com. Eventually, I got to update that, and then on my site on Facebook. So anyway, there she is. If you want one, let me know. You know, they're relatively expensive. I'm not going to lie to you there. This has some very rare original K&O step pads. The windshield I make, the bow light I make, the rear flagpole's K&O. The flags I make, steering wheel, I've Heinz out of Wisconsin makes those for me. Dash plate I make, and the air scoops I make. I got thousands of tooling on all that stuff. So, and the exhaust. Unfortunately, I'm about down to 5 left, and I can't find a company to make me more. They're a screw machine part. So anyway, once I run out of those, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, here she is. I'll start it up for you. The batteries are getting kind of low on the. There she is. It has some nice lines on this boat. The switch doubles as like the gas cap on the boat. And here we go. Oop. Anyway, there's the motor. 4 batteries, of course. There's the dash, etc. The deck is a solid piece of mahogany. I scribe it, paint it, stain it, varnish it, paint the stripes, etc. And she's good to go. It's a nice big heavy boat. And anyway, I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for all your comments on my boats. And you can see everything I make at rccraft.com or Facebook under rccraft or ITO boats. And this will be going on there shortly. Have a nice day.